107.9 FM. Mamin kwa homano so na mene Honorable Oheneba Kwabena Ando. Eye DC de ma Adansi South. Ona ye Dean de ma MMDCEs in the Ashanti region. Chief, good morning.
Good morning.
Minia, bibi aboko de.
Oba de adaroma. Ye.
Ye de nyame ase. Pacho, de ekoso Ejisu ene se bibia ansi na bibia ansesa. Even though ehun say RCC for attrocrata there, but assembly members nso mo kwa koto vote of no confidence ewo wankasa wunua owo Ejisu municipal. Wati sansemi
Medate michawe tiefo yen samu amate de ekoso no yeni di akire kakra endimate
na Adaroma follow up why you saying at this point are there now years the dean of MMDCEs
issue we shall see no a check kakra no kreni mpanimfo etu ho anamo bia aye de omubitumi bia but it seems minim de ifuele sansem we are omuntumi ntnase na omun resolve sa issue no emfamfre ho metie MC no menene di nkomo bebre afa ho ono so acheche ni nsemu e di akire enti ha dwene personally ha dwene still assembly no epese omutu anamo a etisa I will plead say assembly members no 8 year sabe asembie ni wono mo ayentumi mfa nonka asemba anunya na yedeka omunya botre na omomma ho kwai na nkomo ampanimfo eni won edi ewe ekire no omonhwe se omubitie na omatenase because minim Jerry na Sante minim ni yepa na edinkuta ho febra obeye MC ohwe no na ohwe ni dimi na ko Pentecost sorry ye deaconess obrane ho ase lokweni adwuma ne ye no etoda enye denra ubetia obi nan so se bibi sasia yetna se ne resolve but it seems minim diama assembly no omonkrata omachuro ina makinkan ha dwen kakra eji srena mesre na me pa woncho se anamo omo pese omutu no omontwensan no omontenase sabi ombetumi aka e masomdwe aba na maame no akoso aye adwuma oye de boa mensin no yiri se fasa akwan ni so a ene beboa
intervention as in Muankasa was a dean no what visit because we say asemi ba Muankasa we are aware of this issue even though and they omo kano ade a omo hunu say we dey anya relationship asem assembly no ehihye na omo ato wato emra and da ho so dey adwuma one say property rate or say company bi dey akoye bata akoje roofing sheet na omo nhwehwe mu ye no na roofing sheet no ema assembly ho until say omo complaint committee no tenase ema omo ehwehwe mu am ye so ontua sika no or refund 29,000 and wachi court order say omo nya demolition and also so washa omo man 2 weeks wontimi nyeye and a lot of issues are menim say no ye de wo ka say eba ya cha ma mo timi atry senka Ubetima intervene no dia and then if senya no dia this is the situation at hand and no mujina so dia koye started that process no
once me yedin all right well asem no ba ye no na enye na enroot baby a obubo so kiremi minim yi say me regional minister and they take over say ye man ho kwan na ono ankasa enye mu adwuma enti assembly omo a ekabie wo mu nyina or the Omba RCC, MCA no can home, my woman in Abisi in Kunya or Minimi say Yura for Yajima, KM mayor, or also a Dimwakotine ye, and na ye share the bit to me a free more abba. until last week or so, me who letters are. HSS still assembly no gyina na nso so obetu saa na mo no ɛna me di ho enkrata o matro ne nsɛm no bi a ɛfa ho enti ha adwen te sɛ deɛ wo ka no won sɛ ye ka okoye okoje nkyɛnse no definitely o de koye adwuma e de boa benke no sɛ anamontu ate saa na assembly no ye ninje ho a we passive vote of no confidence in the person. It can be resolved very easily. And in the assembly, no, you was structures. They said you're okay. Your PRCC or no more. And so what is the only to me as a tono? Very simple. Minimum why Nyomano acquire be true say. Yet to me, young idea was a passive vote of no confidence. Sabi, you say, Sasabon Soma Unimono. A year change, Sabi or trouble for a wouldn't because Money we at least 1.5 years. And I say more than a year. One who know the ups and downs. One who know said you will sit here. It's a issue. Maybe when I say, or more than my home, you beat me a resolve. I started free baby and a free banner. In fact, I mean, you say ABC because a coye vivid is an internal matter as a party for near day and I could do baby a dream on the American was. It is unfortunate. I agree. Say a bit drew Sabrina still almost now because minimum say young minister would deem 7 more cotton, would more cotton pa unje monto. And the minimum the master on the common in Zombie idea of the Zomoyen.
Do you feel, sir, the MC should also admit because almost many assembly members bear me and son I didn't come on. Almost that almost take and trench position. Can be our Montiasi. Probably be an MC no so has to also accept the fact that yes, and maybe Ankoye the almost share free. The Hoye be a Chelpe be and Obian can't tell me so much at Chelpa. But do you think that there was a Sani man Koso to that level or Buffum to that level to apologize and then maybe let go of Bibi Ohubia?
To say the old canoe and yet Sabi radio sooner or say Oba to my catch or say one important committee Oba Assembly, okay, structure now. There were 2 committees. The executive committee and the PRCC, that is Public Relations and Complaints Committee. And now was running and Semono, MC, and the head the executive committee, and a presiding member, head the PRCC. These are the 2 important personalities within the assembly. In the way in the Waha, said the Obia, I bet me the assembly no according him. Indeed, me come here quite say bia to say the okay PLCC. Ebia invite mameno kwedubo phone ni mameni ni adie we to say na yes you mameno ye kakra on tia say the oya na oya no ye different matter altogether. Minim say
no my exhausted honso because share the year making ya report here make one say me almost say a committee no and na a call first one roofing sheet the committee no recommended say unrefunded. Number 2, this court order no.
But say no, what them say of committee ne kai no, we tu sa na mo no waye.
Oh yes, I mean we refund we scan the
exactly. Which means that
the committee no court order no ne other things I know they almost want me execute here. That is and also another thing.
Thank you. To say the okay court order. And a court to say to Sana Monway. Definitely. I will say we have some negotiations behind the scenes. Yes, a court can do Otamonio Wadia because structure no yes you on demolition. Probably Ebi that would be a Timua or Neoma Wumu. Until sometimes issues of this nature also human face kakra at the toho. Until Anamontuno can say as a day this equality Ebia own to mean to Sana Mono. So Oba Assembly and your 1 man show because they are also management only 1 year Juma or more advice no in the court ma order now say I was so two sana mono onko make us a minimum the management so advice and in be ama or train and answer one every do sabri and no still committee no an assembly no bet me community bisani hu make us omu nyina so o benzi anymore nti nyoma ye come from afar no omu de eben ho nti they know it omu nim ebia akwantidi e wo ho nti ebia ma ontumi ntu sa anawo no community so say vote of no confidence and it was a yakopasi name was say a cost of the jojo your cost with di hu nkomo na ye hwese e between resolve issue no media nkamadwen.
Okay. 87.9 Tinadi chief mama mu a ebia dundie ai nyumona Chris Ashley nyumona ise mobam mama mu a ne be yire pa ne because assembly members here no madi nkomo ze si anu there. I mean they've confirmed say some of them petitioners some of them can omo petition
petitioners no
yes omo kan omo so omo they are ready omo ko na omo ko yomo meeting so that is where we are now
because assembly members are minimum nyina na ye juma so they make us say the American minimum but bia mambe no wa explaining actually binom except to say abia on the side of the story no montias ya no monjintum but kabeme madwen say nye anu adro and say yenkoto abampam no ngo fie kanya anu adro no oh na was say ye kai fa kwa bia yibetumi so say be
chief is there a way out say more from our end some mobetimi at the moment betimi mobilize MMDCs no to intervene. Is there a way out from all as the dean?
Oh yes, and same way I know say they haven't started it. Omontenance in the so there is a way out. Ebia na entiase between BBG. There is a way out, and saying we some Munyankotanase, or Munyankoto Abano. I know say before the assembly no betanase no Comodie be bet me so as I akoso I be a bit with the agencies Abba. In Yan saying we, Empire,
ye bet me akase the dean who make effort to intervene.
Oh yes, that is so. Once some no be 79 with me account already. So indeed, Yamoya Empire by close of day, if everybody suicide that's the upper.
Chief Yadasi.
Best made as the same motors are friendly.
Right. And you know, I know you're the Atiano. No, if I know Heniba Kwabena Ando or ye Dean of MMDCs in the Ashanti region, Adanse South, and Oye DC.